beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Crochet by Lotus and today we are making this type of parandis. So let's get started. So I'm using green and maroon color yarn and a normal hook, and of course we need a scissor. So let's start with the leafy part where you know to attach your flowers and make it more beautiful. We make the 3-leaf strand for parandis. You have to leave little tail beginning also because we will tie all the 3 strands together. So I'll start with the green yarn for making a leaf strands. So start with the slip knot. It seems very easy. Now we do the chaining part. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. We do the 18 chain. Now I am done with the 18 chain, and of course we do the 2 more extra chain for the leaf part. You go the last 3rd chain, so yarn over, go in there, pull up a loop and pull up a last 2 loops. It's called a double crochet. So we do the same process for one more time. Yarn over, go in there, pull up a loop, pull 2 loops and pull 2 last 2 loops. We do the picot crochet. So you see the X there. Go in there, and yarn over and slip stitch. Now we do the double crochet again 2 times. Next we do the 2 chain and go in the same space and slip stitch. So we're done to make the leaf also. Now we make the only 8 chain and we do the leaf part with the same process. Last 3rd chain, go in there, pull up a loop and pull through last 2 loops. Again we do the same process. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and put the bell icon also so you are first notified, and I'll make this kind of cute tutorials for you. If you are inspired by my tutorial, so post the final look of it on your Instagram story and tag me. I will definitely mention you back. Okay, so we are done to make our first leaf part. Now we make the 18 chain next. So total we have a 9 leaf. We do the same process for all this leaf. So now we are making 18 chain next, and next you do the leaf part with the same process, and you do the 8 chain, next leaf part, next 18th chain. Continue this process until you done with the 9 leaf. Someone who wants to attach tassels at the end, but I'll make the leaf at the end because it seems more attractive. So you do the same process for the leaf part. Now cut the yarn and secure it. So this is how look my parandis without flowers. We do the 3 leafy strands. Now we make the flowers for using the maroon color yarn. It seems more beautiful, so start by making a magic circle or a magic ring. So you see the X there. Now we do the pull up a loop and chain 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So next we do the thrice double crochet. It's basically 2 times yarn over, pull up a loop and pull 2 loops, pull 2 loops and pull 2 loops. It's very simple. Again we do the same process, yarn over, pull 2 loops, pull 2 loops and last 2 loops. Again we do the same process. We have a 4 chain and 3 thrice double crochet. Next you do the 4 chain and slip stitch. You do the same process for 4 petals. At the end you have the 5 petal. So this is our last petal. We do the 4 chain, thrice double crochet for 3 times. Next you do the 4 chain and slip stitch. Cut the yarn and secure it with the knot. This is how look our flowers. We do the same steps until you have a 10 flowers. We attach our flowers here, here and here. So first we do the knot for secure flower. I'll do the 2 knot for more security. Now I'm attaching the flower on my leafy strand. I'll make the 2 knot. You can use glue also for secure the flower. Finally it's ready and I'm attaching flower top also. So you can attach flower at the end also, but I'll not attaching the flower because 10 flower it's enough for my parandis. So this is how look our parandis. Of course it's beautiful. So if you love this kind of tutorials, so subscribe my YouTube channel, put the bell icon also, comment for more tutorials, like and share. Bye.